one of the world's largest cat species. Lions are one of the best-known wild animals on the planet. When most people think of lions, they immediately picture their powerful manes and flowing tails, along with mental images of these majestic creatures hunting down their prey in African savannahs. But there's so much more to lions than just the way they look. Here are 8 fascinating facts about these amazing animals. Lions are considered endangered. In early 2016, there were an estimated 20,000 to 30,000 lions left in Africa. It's possible that number has declined since then due to poaching, habitat loss, and conflict with humans. African lions are considered endangered by both the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, and by some individual countries where they live. They were listed as vulnerable on IUCN's Red List until 2016, when they received a status upgrade to endangered following a study which found their numbers had dropped 43% over 3 decades. Only around 15% of lion populations are currently in protected areas such as parks and reserves. Lions are the only cats without an undercoat. The undercoat is dense and soft, providing some warmth, while the longer guard hairs serve as a sort of built-in sweater for extra cold protection. But lions, along with cheetahs, are the only big cats that don't have an undercoat. The reason for the lack is unknown. This cat secret has yet to be uncovered by science. Most likely, it's just another example of nature's endless variety. The lion's roar is beyond impressive. While a lion's roar is beyond impressive, they can also communicate without making a sound. Their body language communicates their moods, how old they are, and even whether or not they're ready to mate. Body language is important in lion communication, but so is their voice, the most distinctive component of which is called a vocal roar. A lion's roars fall into 2 categories: territorial, as to scare off intruders, and social, to let other lions know who he is. The vocalization center of a male lion's brain contains 20% more neurons than that of a female, which means he has greater control over his roars. The different sounds they make help lions determine if another lion has claimed an area as its territory, whether it needs assistance fighting off an intruder or just wants to meet up with friends for some friendly playtime. Male lions can recognize each other by listening for subtle differences in their vocalizations. There are 8 subspecies of lions. Mountain, Asiatic, Cape, South African, West African savanna, which can be further divided into Western and Eastern, East African Serengeti, and Transvaal lions. The 8 subspecies differ in many ways, including size but also diet. Male lions usually live on their own, while females live in groups called prides. Within these prides, lions are very well organized. Female cubs are born in April or May, and males can be born between July and October. Cubs do not stay with their mothers until they're 2 years old. Instead, they remain with their mothers for 6 to 8 months before being kicked out of the pride. They're excellent hunters. Lions hunt mostly at night, but will sometimes take down prey during daylight hours if they feel threatened. They hunt alone or in pairs, but when a large animal is targeted, like an elephant, they work together as a team to bring it down. All male lions have manes. Male lions have thick manes that run down their entire back and can reach up to 2 feet long. The size of a male lion's mane is directly correlated with his social status. The higher-ranking male lions will have larger manes than their lower-ranking counterparts. The length of a male lion's mane also depends on how hot it is outside. Lions spend most of their day resting. Researchers at South Africa's Lion Park observed lions over 11 years and found that they spend most of their day resting, spending only 15% awake and active. The other 85% of their day is spent asleep or lounging around lazily. Sometimes it pays off to act like royalty. Lions are territorial. Lions are extremely territorial. So if a new male lion enters another male's territory, all hell breaks loose. Lions have been known to attack each other even without provocation. The deadliest interspecies fight in recorded history occurred when a rogue lion entered a pack of hyenas. The ensuing battle killed nearly 20 hyenas and even some of their cubs. Another time, one lion was killed by 16 lions at once. If that weren't enough, sometimes lions will kill their own pride members if they become too old or sick to hunt. Such is life in the wild. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.